What's up everybody, today in this video I gonna talk about how to fix black screen problem on FaceTime. Today in this video I gonna talk about few method. I hope by using this method your problem will be solved. So without any further delay, let's get in the video. Method 1. Go to settings. Then from here you click on screen time. Then here you click on content and privacy restrictions. Here you click on allowed apps. Now from here you make sure that FaceTime and camera, these two option is on. Method 2. You make sure that the internet connection on your phone is good. Method 3. If you are using the Wi-Fi connection on your mobile device, then it may also possible that there is some networking issues with your router. So you restart your router. Method 4. Restart your iPhone. To do this, you press on the volume up button, then you quickly press on the volume down button, then you press and hold on the side button. When the Apple logo appears, then you release the side button. Method 5. Update your FaceTime app. To do this, you go to App Store, then you click on your profile in the upper right corner. When you click on your profile, then this page will come. Here you will find the list of apps which needs update. So you make sure that your FaceTime app is updated. If your FaceTime app not updated, then update FaceTime app. Method 6. You make sure that the date and time on your phone is correct. To correct date and time automatically, you go to settings. Then from here, you click on general. Then here, you click on date and time. Now here you see the option set automatically. You make sure that this option is on. Method 7. You make sure that you or your caller aren't blocking the camera lens. It can sometimes happen when a misplaced thumb or finger put the device camera out of action. Method 8. You make sure that your device camera isn't being used by another app. Sometimes a black screen are caused by another app which is using the device camera. That's for today guys. I hope by using this method, your problem will be solved. Thank you.